Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix PrizePicks location. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So in order to do this, what you need to do is head over to your settings app, and once you're inside the settings, what you need to do is scroll down or simply tap on this search bar on the top and then enter location and then type services and then tap on system and services. And once you do that, here you will be sent to location services. All you got to do is tap on back. Now once you're inside here, what you need to do is simply check to see if this location service option is toggled on or not. If it is toggled off, all you got to do is toggle it on. And once you have toggled this on, what you need to do is scroll all the way down and then locate the PrizePicks app right here. Now once you located it, all you got to do is tap on it. Let me just assume this Facebook is the PrizePicks app, and once you tap on it here, you'll be provided with these options under allow location access. Now all you got to do is simply set the option to while using the app and then check to see if this precise location is toggled on or not. And once you do that, all you got to do is go back and then head over to your app store and check to see if the app is up to date or not. And once you do that, all you got to do is try again, and that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.